Mr. Excel podcast is sponsored by Easy Excel. Learn Excel from Mr. Excel podcast, episode 1380, Rank. Well, hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Gillon. A couple of questions came up recently about how to rank a pivot table. If you're in Excel 2007 or newer, you can choose the column and then from the Home tab, conditional formatting, data bars, color scales, icon sets. Now, one thing you want to do is you want to go in after you've applied that and choose Manage Rules. And under Manage Rules, we'll edit the rule. Use this setting up here for pivot tables. All cells showing the value field for the row field. That will help as you change the pivot table later. But if we actually want to show a numeric rank, there's an easy way to do that now in Excel 2010. And so this numeric field here is percentage to quota. I'm going to take that numeric field from the field list and add it to the values area, and we get the exact same values that we just had, but I'm going to choose one cell in that new column. I'm going to go to the Options tab, and here this is brand new in Excel 2010, Show Values As. This used to be hidden deep in the dialog box for each field, and they added some great things here, percentage of row total, percentage of column total, but what I want is rank largest to smallest, rank largest to smallest, and within the market field. That's great. And oh, bad formatting there. Let me fix that up. Number format. Just go with number. All right. Now here's the one thing I noticed. I actually kind of doctored this data set up to make sure that there really was a tie. I had two different regions at 95% to quota. And check this out, it's pretty wild how they handle that tie. They actually have two different values with 3, which is similar to how the equal rank function used to work. I guess that's not surprising, but what is surprising is the next value is then assigned the value of 4. That's very much unlike the old rank function. The rank function would have done, we'll rank this value within this range. I'll press F4 there to add dollar signs in and Control Enter. It also assigned the 3 and the 3, but then it skipped 4. It went directly to 5. All right, so just kind of unusual that Microsoft had one way of dealing with the rank function. They created a new rank.average function that would assign both of those ties a value of 3.5. But nothing would have assigned it like this. So the PivotTable team obviously had their own take on how ties should be handled. And I don't see any setting that allows me to change that. I wanted to PivotTable options and look for something that would say, quit doing rank this weird way. Apparently we're just stuck with it that way. So very easy way to add ranks. Just be aware that those results are going to be different than if someone else is using the equal rank function. Well, hey, all right, I want to thank you for stopping by. I'll see you next time for another Netcast. Mr. Excel.